Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Chill English Time. I'm Emma, and joining me today is...
Hi, I'm Michael, and I really need a coffee right now.
Perfect, because today we're learning English at a coffee shop. All the phrases you need to order your favorite drinks and sounds like a native.
Oh, this is great. I always feel nervous ordering coffee in English. There are so many options.
I know, but don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to say. We'll learn useful phrases, practice real conversations, and you'll be ordering coffee like a pro.
I'm excited. Let's do this.
And if you're new here, welcome. Hit that subscribe button. We make English easy and fun here at Chill English Time. All right, let's get that coffee. Okay, Michael, imagine you just walked into a coffee shop. What's the first thing you do?
I look at the menu.
Exactly, but first you might need to wait in line. Line means the queue of people waiting. In British English, they say queue. In American English, we say line.
Oh, so I wait in line?
Yes. Now, when it's your turn, the barista will say, "Hi, what can I get for you today?" And you can say, "Can I have a coffee, please?"
Can I have a coffee, please? That's simple.
It is, but we can be more specific. You can say, "I'd like a cappuccino," or "Can I get a latte, please?"
I'd like a cappuccino. What's the difference between can I have and I'd like?
Great question. Both are polite and correct. "I'd like" sounds a tiny bit more formal, but you can use either one. Repeat after me. I'd like a cappuccino.
I'd like a cappuccino.
Perfect. Now, after you order, the barista will ask, "What size would you like?" And the sizes are usually small, medium, or large. Some places say tall, grande, venti.
Oh, like at Starbucks.
Exactly. But in most coffee shops, you can just say, "I'll take a medium, please," or "Can I get a large?"
I'll take a medium, please. Easy.
Great. Repeat after me. What size would you like?
What size would you like?
Now, here's another important question. For here or to go? This means, are you staying or taking it with you?
For here or to go, so dine in or takeaway?
Exactly. If you're staying, you say, "For here, please." If you're taking it, you say, "To go, please." In British English, they might say, "Takeaway, please."
For here, please. Got it. What about customizing my drink?
Perfect question. You can say, "Can I get that with almond milk?" Or "Can I have oat milk instead?" Or "Extra shot of espresso, please."
Can I get that with almond milk? Oh, so I can change the milk.
Absolutely. Most coffee shops offer regular milk, almond milk, oat milk, soy milk, coconut milk. You have options.
Nice. What if I want less sugar?
You can say, "Can I get that with less sugar?" Or "No sugar, please." Or "Can I have artificial sweetener?"
No sugar, please. Simple.
Yes. Now, you might also want something to eat. You can ask, "Do you have any pastries?" Or "What kind of muffins do you have?"
Do you have any pastries, like croissants or cookies?
Exactly. Pastries are baked goods like croissants, muffins, scones, cookies, danishes. Now, when you finish ordering, you need to pay. You ask, "How much is that?" Or "What's the total?"
How much is that? Easy question.
Yes, and if you're paying cash and don't need change, you can say, "Keep the change." This is a nice tip for the barista.
Keep the change. Oh, that's a tip.
Exactly. Repeat after me. "Can I get that with oat milk?"
Can I get that with oat milk?
"Do you have any pastries?"
Do you have any pastries?
"How much is that?"
How much is that?
Excellent. Now let's practice a real coffee shop conversation. All right, Michael, I'm the barista, you're the customer. You just walked into a busy coffee shop in the morning. Ready?
Ready. Let's order some coffee.
Good morning. Welcome to Sunrise Coffee. What can I get started for you today?
Hi, good morning. Can I see the menu for a second?
Of course. Take your time. We have our special latte today. It's a caramel macchiato with vanilla foam.
Oh, that sounds delicious. But, what do you recommend for someone who likes strong coffee?
I'd recommend our cold brew. It's smooth but very strong. Or our espresso is perfect if you need a quick energy boost.
I'll try the cold brew.
What size would you like? We have small, medium, and large. The medium is our most popular.
Okay, I'll take a medium cold brew, please.
Great choice. And would you like that with regular milk or a milk alternative? We have almond, oat, soy, and coconut milk.
Can I get that with oat milk, please?
Absolutely. And any sweetener? We have sugar, honey, or stevia.
Just a little bit of honey, please.
Perfect. Anything else? We have fresh pastries today, blueberry muffins, chocolate croissants, and banana bread.
Oh, do you have any vegan options?
Yes, the banana bread is vegan and it's delicious.
Great, I'll take one slice of banana bread, please.
Wonderful. So that's one medium cold brew with oat milk and honey and one slice of vegan banana bread. For here or to go?
For here, please. I'll sit by the window.
Perfect. Your total is $8.50. How would you like to pay?
Can I pay with my credit card?
Of course, just tap it right here. Great. And here's your receipt. Your name for the order?
Michael.
Perfect. We'll call your name when it's ready, Michael. Should be about 5 minutes.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Enjoy. Excellent job, Michael. That was perfect.
Thanks. I felt so confident. I customized everything.
You did. You asked for oat milk, honey, checked for vegan options, and chose where to sit. That's advanced ordering.
True, and asking what do you recommend was really helpful.
Absolutely. Baristas know their drinks, so always ask if you're not sure. Did you notice how many questions you answered?
Yes, size, milk type, sweetener, for here or to go, payment method, so many questions.
Exactly. Be ready for these questions. Let's repeat some key phrases. Repeat after me. What do you recommend?
What do you recommend?
Can I get that with oat milk?
Can I get that with oat milk?
For here, please.
For here, please.
Perfect. Now let's talk about common mistakes. All right, time for common mistakes. Michael, are you ready?
Yes, I need this.
Don't say, give me a coffee. Say, can I have a coffee, please? Or, I'd like a coffee, please. Always be polite.
Can I have a coffee, please? Much better.
Exactly. Another one. Don't say, I want a big coffee. Say, I'd like a large coffee. Use large, not big.
I'd like a large coffee, not big. Got it.
Good. And don't say, one cappuccino for takeaway. Say, one cappuccino to go, please. Or, to go. We don't say for takeaway.
To go, please. Okay, not for takeaway.
Yes. And don't say, how many money? Say, how much is that? Or, what's the total? Use how much, not how many for money.
How much is that? Right, how much for money?
Perfect. One more. Don't say, I drink here. Say, for here, please. This is the correct phrase in coffee shops.
For here, please. Not I drink here. Haha, that sounds funny.
It does. Now you know the right way. Okay, Michael, quick review. What do you say when you want to order?
I'd like a cappuccino, or can I have a latte, please?
Perfect. And when they ask about size?
I'll take a medium, please, or can I get a large?
Great. What about milk alternatives?
Can I get that with oat milk, please, or can I have almond milk instead?
Excellent. And when you want to know the price?
How much is that, or what's the total?
Beautiful. You remembered everything. Now repeat after me one more time. I'd like a medium latte, please.
I'd like a medium latte, please.
For here or to go?
For here or to go.
Can I get that with oat milk?
Can I get that with oat milk?
What do you recommend?
What do you recommend?
Perfect. You're ready to order at any coffee shop. Now let's do a final practice, a complete coffee shop experience. You're the customer, I'm the barista. Let's go.
Okay, here I go.
Hi there. Welcome to Morning Brew. What can I get started for you?
Hi, I'd like a cappuccino, please.
Great. What size?
Medium, please.
Perfect. And for here or to go?
To go, please.
Got it. Anything else?
Yes, do you have any pastries?
We do. We have croissants, muffins, and cookies today.
I'll take a chocolate croissant, please. How much is that?
That'll be $7 total. How would you like to pay?
Credit card, please. Here you go.
Perfect. Here's your receipt. Your name?
Michael.
Thanks, Michael. We'll have that ready in just a minute.
Thank you.
Perfect. That's it for today's episode.
We learned so much, from ordering to customizing drinks.
Exactly. Remember, ordering coffee is easy when you know these phrases. Don't be shy. Coffee shops are friendly places.
And you can always ask questions. Baristas are there to help.
Absolutely. Practice these phrases and soon ordering coffee in English will feel natural.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to Chill English Time. We post new lessons every week.
Yes, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. Join our English learning community.
Comment below. Tell us, what's your favorite coffee drink? Practice writing in English.
We love reading your comments. Thank you so much for learning with us today.
Keep practicing, stay motivated, and remember, learning English is beautiful. Ha! Get it? Beautiful?
Nice one. See you next time.
Bye, everyone. Enjoy your coffee.
Take care.